Hi kids, how are you? Today we will read a story about a little pumpkin who wanted to grow fast. The story is written and illustrated by Sayyida Sabia, and I am your teacher Sabia who will read it for you. Once upon a time, in a sunny patch of green, there was a tiny pumpkin named Pippin. Pippin was small, round, and bright orange, but she had a big dream. She wanted to grow faster so she could be the biggest, most beautiful pumpkin for Christmas. One sunny morning, Pippin asked the wise old pumpkin vine, "How can I grow faster?" The vine smiled and said, "You need patience, little one. Growing takes time, just like the seasons changing." Every day, Pippin looked up at the tall pumpkin vines and the big pumpkins that already grew. "I want to be big and round like them," she thought. "If I grow faster, I can be ready for Christmas and everyone will love me." "But I want to be big right now," Pippin said sadly. The vine chuckled. "You see, pumpkins grow in their own time. It's not about rushing. When you grow at your own pace, you will be just perfect." Pippin thought about it. She looked at the sky and saw the leaves changing colors. Soon it would be autumn, and Christmas was not too far away. Pippin decided to enjoy each day, basking in the warm sun and drinking up the rain. As the days went by, Pippin grew just the right size. She became round and bright, the perfect shade of orange. When Christmas came, Pippin was not the biggest pumpkin, but she was the happiest one. Her patch looked beautiful with twinkling lights, and Pippin had a special spot on the front porch decorated with a shiny ribbon. Everyone loved her just as she was. And Pippin learned that sometimes the best things take place to grow, that take time to grow, and there's no need to rush. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. Next time I will read another story for you. Till then, bye bye.